Good morning. I am David, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rogani College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to explain some few topics from the second unit of Process Planning and Cost Estimation subject. This is the second video from this subject, from this unit. So in this unit, we are going to study documents required for process planning and selection of jigs and fixtures. You can see the set of documents required for process planning, the product design and engineering drawing pertaining to all the components of the product, that is, drawings, specification, bill of materials, that defines how many of each component go into the product. Second one, machining, machinability data handbook, then tables of cutting speed, depth of cut, feeds for different processes and for different work materials. Then catalogs for various cutting tools and cutting inserts, specifications of various machine tool available in the shop, sizes of standard materials commercially available in the market, then machine HR cost of all equipment available in the shop, design data handbook, charts of limits, fits and tolerances, tables showing tolerances and surface finish obtainable for different machining processes, tables of standard cost, table of allowances such as personnel allowance, fatigue allowance, etc. in percentage of standard time followed by the company, process plan of certain standard components such as shaft, bushings, flanges, etc. Then, selection of jigs and fixtures. Consequently, the main reasons for the use of jigs and fixtures are: first one, components can be produced quicker. Greater interchangeability is obtained due to repeatability of manufacture, which subsequently reduces assembly time. Accuracy can be easily obtained and maintained. Unskilled or semi-skilled labor is enough to operate jigs and fixtures. Then the basic functions of jigs are: it holds the workpiece and also it guides the tool, positively locating the component so that subsequent components are machined in the same manner. Fixture. A fixture is similar to a jig and can be defined as a special purpose work holding device used during machining or assembly. However, fixtures are generally of heavier construction than jigs and also usually fixed to the machine table. The main function of the fixture is to positively locate the workpiece. However, unlike a jig, no guidance is provided for cutting tools. Fixtures are used in a variety of processes including milling, broaching, planing, grinding and tanning. Factors affecting while selecting work holders. As with process planning, the design and selection of work holding devices starts with the interpretation of the component drawing. Many of the factors considered during the process planning interpretation will be interpreted from the perspective of the work holding holder requirements. There are a number of general factors that will influence the design and or construction of a work holder. That is, physical characteristics of the workpiece, cutting forces involved, machine selection, fixing method to machine, work holder cutting tool relationship, workpiece cutting tool relationship. Then general questions to be asked for selection of jigs and fixtures economically. Is an existing tool will be modified or is a new tool required? What production equipment and tooling is being used? How many operations is the work holder required for? How many work holding devices are required in total? What quality assurance tools, techniques will be used to check the operations are within the desired specification? Will the cost of the tool be justified in terms of cost of savings gained through its use? So these are the common guidelines for selection of jigs and witches. Thank you.